How to edit messages on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if an update is available. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the latest version to install. This ensures that you have access to all the new features, including the ability to edit messages. Once the app is updated, open Instagram and go to your direct messages. Send a message to someone as you normally would. For example, I will type, "How are you?" and send it. Now, if I decide that I want to change my message, but I do not want to unsend and resend it, I can simply edit it. To do this, long press on the message you want to edit. A few options will appear on the screen. Tap on the Edit button. This will allow you to modify the message as needed. You can delete parts of the text, rewrite the message, or make any necessary corrections. Once you have made the changes, tap the Send button. Your message will be updated without needing to send a new one. Keep in mind that the Edit option is only available for up to 15 minutes after sending a message. That's how you can edit messages on Instagram.